tack it up. Is it? My love when she cock it up. Pretty like TV, bad like Riri. But a girl pussy fat in a CG string, something like 3D. Me have a squeezy. Ask her if she love me like Kiki.